When the air becomes crisp and the days get shorter, it can only mean one thing. Winter months are approaching. Don't let your troll sit aside in the corner, because the months of December and January can be great for your kitchen gardens. Radish. Number 1 on our list is the most loved radish, a perfect salad ingredient. This winter-loving plant gives the best flavor and texture when grown in cooler months. Radishes are easy-to-grow root vegetables that can be planted multiple times in the growing season. It requires around 22 to 70 days to harvest. Complete crop harvesting before the season gets warm. Spinach. You can sow spinach seeds on the cool days of January. The health benefits of these luscious green leaves are multiple. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants. The crop can be harvested within 6 to 8 weeks of planting. Lettuce. A quick salad crop, lettuce is harvested within a few weeks of seeding. These nutritious greens are easy to grow and love cooler temperatures. The best time to plant these greens is late December or early January. Komatsuna. Komatsuna, a member of the Brassica family, is sometimes referred to as mustard spinach for its unique flavor that lies somewhere in between mustard and lettuce. Komatsuna can bear cold temperatures and matures in about 40 days of planting, making it an ideal plant to grow in January. Komatsuna needs nitrogen. Adding nitrogen-rich supplements to your soil will help the plant thrive. Pick a sunny spot and well-drained soil to plant this salad green. Tatsoi. A quick grower, Tatsoi gets ready to be harvested within 45 days of planting. Although the plant prefers cooler temperatures, Tatsoi seeds should be sown in a spot with well-drained soil and where there's an ample amount of sunlight. It is better to start the seeds indoors and transplant the young seedlings earlier than 3 weeks to their final position. Mizuna. Another favorite salad ingredient, Mizuna thrives in the cold weather. These easy-to-grow crops fall under the cut and grows again category. The baby leaves get ready to be harvested within 20 days of planting. However, the fully grown leaves take about 40 days to come to the harvesting stage. Endive. A look-alike of lettuce, best time to sow endive seeds in the cooler months like January. However, the plant requires 2 to 3 hours of full sunlight to grow well. Growing endive in warmer months will not only make the greens bolt, but also taste bitter. The plant requires well-drained soil and will get ready to be harvested within 40 to 50 days of planting. Coriander. A classic that appears in many recipes all around the world, coriander seeds thrive in well-draining soil. Since coriander is used so frequently in large quantities every day, you'll benefit from succession planting it every 2 weeks to keep that fresh coriander coming. Plant coriander seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inches deep in a partially sunny location and thin seedlings to 10 to 12 inches apart. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.